Yeah. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get in the store and I'm stop vlogging and stuff. So yeah. Y'all feel so good outside, like so good. But I get back to y'all when I get in the store though. So y'all, I'm in the store. Ooh, y'all, they got some cookies, y'all. Look. They got some cookies right here. So y'all, I'm gonna turn up, you know what I'm saying? Y'all haven't been in Walmart so long. It's been a while since I've been here. Yeah, it's been so long since I've been up in here, y'all. Like, so long. Yeah, I'm gonna go where like the lights and stuff at, and I'm gonna turn up for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, these folks just staring at me. What y'all looking for? Ooh. Y'all look at all the food and stuff. What y'all want? What y'all want? What do y'all want? Oh, y'all got some jewelry. I'm finna show y'all. Hold on. Y'all see jewelry? Y'all, you too. Y'all see it? You see it? Sorry. But yeah, I'm over here like what? Watches and stuff. Bling, bling. Yeah. Ooh, this one go hard. Y'all, look at the shades. I'm finna try them shades. Just see. Ooh. I don't know if these. Ooh, no ma'am. No ma'am. Ooh. No ma'am. No ma'am. Ooh, no ma'am. Ooh, let's try these. These go hard. Ain't finna count. Yeah. 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 Oh, it's my pig. Alright, y'all, so. I don't know where I'm going right now. I'm just walking around. Yeah, I really want to do a Walmart prank so bad. Like, let me take these off. Like, why am I walking with that on? Like, I really want to do a Walmart prank here. But I don't know what to do. I don't know. So I'm just vlogging. So whatever I do, I do. But I'll get back to y'all when I find something interesting or when I get somewhere, okay? Yeah. I don't know what just happened, but folks, people are just staring at me. I don't know why. I'm out here. Y'all got Easter stuff up. We don't put on big old bears. It ain't no way, bro. It ain't. This thing huge. This thing bigger than me. Okay. I'm moving my feet down. Yeah, when I get in Walmart, I be acting up. I be acting a fool, like for real. I don't know why. Let's put this somewhere, y'all. Oh, someone got me cold. Switch God, don't mind me. I'm just acting up in Walmart. Boo. Yeah, it's like whenever I get in Walmart. Oh, I didn't know my camera was. But yo, every time I get in Walmart, I act up in here. I don't know why, but I do. Yeah, I'm finna ride these bikes. Like for real. Let me see where I can put this. I need a bike to ride. Okay, let's get this one, y'all. Y'all see this blue right here? I'm finna set the camera right here. Y'all don't mind. This bike is so sweet. Y'all, I was riding a bike and I just seen a worker that work here. That almost got caught, y'all. Yeah, I'm not done riding it. I'm gonna come back over here, but I need somebody to record me riding a bike. Let me move from over here, because these people that work here keep looking at me, and you know me, I'm not gonna get kicked out of Walmart. Oh, I'll get kicked out of Walmart. Kick me out of Walmart. Do it. I don't care. The fuck? Like, I really do not care. But, y'all, I'm finna see if I can get my brother. I don't know where they at, but when I get to him, I'm gonna come back over here so he can record me so y'all can really see me riding the bike. So. Start right there back there. Y'all seen that I was riding the bike, right? All right, y'all, so what I'm finna do is, y'all, you better be careful when you ride there, because I be seeing so many people that work here. But, no, like, there's so many people in here. Like, I don't care, though. I'm just saying, I really don't care. Because y'all said I just still did this whole, y'all. But, y'all, like I was saying, yeah. I know, I'm finna do a prank. I'm finna go around people, and I'm gonna cough, y'all. I'm gonna cough hard.
Hey, what Al, now they put me on.
Hold on, y'all, I'm finna cough hard.
They don't want to get lost.
Over there. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. These folks gonna think I got corona. Watch this. Watch this. Hold on, watch this, Let me just go on the owl. Because people looking at me when I'm doing it, but they're not making it interesting. Watch this. Y'all. Oh, got somebody over here, y'all. Hold on. Watch this. Excuse me. Y'all, these folks looking at me weird. I'm acting like Y'all, this is so funny, y'all. People are really looking at me. These people are really looking at me. This is so funny. Hold on, y'all. so funny because when I cough, they start to slow down. What's something else I can do, y'all? I see somebody else. Hold on, y'all can get some more people. Alright, y'all, that person looked at me and turned around. Y'all, when I put the camera down when I'm recording, I don't want them to see me recording, so that's the reason why. Hold on, y'all forget the little girl right now. Yeah, that little girl was just looking at me. She probably like, what's wrong with me? She probably like, what's wrong with me? I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, you know what I'm saying? Because I got a good laugh out of all these videos I just did. But yeah, y'all, that's really it. So, alright, y'all, I gotta go laugh out of these pranks I'm doing on these people, wherever you want to call it, you feel me? I was vlogging, doing pranks with the Whoop, so this is really a lot of stuff I did in the video. So, if y'all really enjoy watching this video or whatever, go ahead and give it a fat thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you're new to my channel or whatsoever, make sure y'all subscribe as well. Also, give me some more videos y'all want to see the girl do, you know what I'm saying? Do that, and yeah, that's really it for this video. I want to continue doing more, but my phone is finna die. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna go in the video though, but keep watching, because probably at the end, maybe I might have a few more clips of me pranking some more people. So y'all continue watching. I might. If I don't, I don't. But that being said, I love y'all, SP Gang. Bye, y'all. Peace. I need some more people. Hold on, y'all. There's some people over here. There's some people over here, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I see somebody over here. Yeah, he wasn't trying to turn around, y'all. He was not trying to turn around. Yeah, it's so funny because these people, they not trying. Hold on. Y'all folks win this free.